how they turned financial devastation into a six-figure dream life. Picture this. You're standing on a pristine Caribbean beach, the warm sand beneath your feet, and the sound of waves soothing your soul. Now imagine this. Just a few years ago, you were drowning in debt, wondering if you'd ever escape. Does it seem impossible? Well, let me tell you a story that proves otherwise. Have you ever felt like life hit you with a tidal wave, leaving you gasping for air, wondering how to recover? Imagine losing everything, your savings, your stability, your confidence only to come out the other side to a life you once thought was impossible. I'm sharing the story of how we turned financial devastation into a six-figure dream life and how you can do it too. Spoiler alert, you do not need $1 million nest egg or a Wall Street guru to make it happen. I'm Dawn Fleming, and today I'm sharing an inspiring story about my husband Tom and I turned financial devastation into a six-figure dream life, one filled with freedom, adventure, and fun. And if you've ever faced financial struggles, this story is for you. The 2008 financial crash hit us hard. Like so many, we thought we were playing the game the right way. Good businesses, investments, and then came the crash, and our carefully laid plans crumbled like a house of cards. We didn't see it coming. Tom lost his engineering business. I was blindsided when my new career path evaporated overnight. And suddenly, we owed over $1 million on property that was worth half as much. The banks weren't listening or responding, and the pressure felt unbearable. It felt like the walls were closing in on us. Maybe it sounds familiar? If so, stick around, because what came next is proof that hitting rock bottom can be the start of something incredible. It may give you a solid foundation on which to rebuild. In 2010, we made a bold decision. We left everything behind, set sail from California, embarked on a 5,000 nautical mile journey. And it wasn't just about escaping the pain and the chaos. It was about finding a new way forward. Because after 2 painful years of trying to hold on, we let go, literally. We set sail on our 48-foot boat, the Santorini, leaving California behind. The decision wasn't just about changing our location, it was about changing our mindset and our circumstances. We would no longer be victims or stuck. We realized if you can't change the wind, you adjust your sails. And there were 3 game-changing lessons that we learned that turned our disaster into our dream life. Lesson number 1, borrow someone else's belief until you can build your own. Years ago, a mentor showed me what was possible. At the time, I was a burned out attorney, struggling to see beyond my immediate circumstances. He believed in me when I couldn't believe in myself. And that belief became the bridge between where I was and where I wanted to go. Lesson 2, the rules may change, but you don't have to play by them. The crash taught us that traditional financial advice wasn't designed for people like us. We stopped relying on outdated formulas and started focusing on cash flow and leverage, principles that worked even when the rules were not in our favor. Lesson 3, you can't change the wind, but you can adjust your sails. Life threw us curveballs, but we adapted, learned, and plotted a new course. It wasn't always easy, but the rewards were worth every challenge. Now, our financial comeback was built on one powerful, little discussed strategy, and that's spotting opportunities that others miss. In 2015, we found a diamond in the rough. At first glance, it wasn't much, but we didn't just see it for what it was. We saw it for what it could be. And the best part, it became a cornerstone of our financial freedom. It started with that property we now call Castillito del Caribe, the little castle by the sea. It was an ugly, awkward, design-flawed house sitting unsold for over a year. But we saw its beautiful potential, a double Caribbean oceanfront lot with unbeatable views in one of Mexico's most sought-after destinations. We negotiated a deal, reinvested every penny into improvements, and that turned that boogly little house into a boutique hotel that now ranks as a top destination. Today, it's tripled in value and generates a consistent income stream. The key was simple but powerful: leverage, cash flow, and vision. We poured every penny we earned from this existing rental property into the improvements, reinvesting to turn our vision into reality. We weren't interested in just making a living. We were creating our legacy. You might not have the same circumstances, but you do have the same potential. The first step: expand your vision. Think beyond traditional retirement plans. You don't need $1 million nest egg. You need creativity, courage, and a willingness to act. This isn't just our story. It's proof that with vision, adaptability, the right strategies, and a plan, you can turn any setback into a stepping stone to an incredible comeback. Start by asking yourself, what's the dream I've put on hold? Is there a diamond in the rough in your life that you've overlooked? You don't need perfect circumstances. You just need the willingness to begin. And the truth is, your dream life isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you on the other side of a bold decision, a new mindset, and a willingness to see potential where others see problems. If we could rebuild our lives from devastation, so can you. So let's make the rest of your life the best of your life. What's stopping you? The same winds that once threatened to sink us became the ones that carried us to paradise. It's not about avoiding the storms. It's about learning to navigate through them. Your dream life is waiting. Are you ready to claim it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration and strategies to design the life you deserve. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and remember, it's never too late to live your best life. Bye for now.